Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making Rolo-Stuffed chocolate chip cookies. They're super easy to make and they're very delicious. The recipe makes 18, so let's get started. Make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a bowl you're going to want to add 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Stir these ingredients together and set them aside. In another bowl, add half a cup of butter, half a cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and mix them together until smooth. While you're mixing, you can add in an egg and half a tablespoon of vanilla. Once that's all mixed together, combine the two bowls and start stirring. Add a cup of chocolate chips. On your baking sheet, you can start laying out the cookies. You're going to want to flatten the batter, put a Rolo in the center, and then fold the dough over top of the Rolo. Roll the dough into a ball. Once they're all done, add some chocolate chips on top to make them look pretty and put them in the oven for 10 minutes. Once you take them out of the oven, slam the pan down to add a crinkle to the cookies. Place them on a cooling rack until you're ready to serve them. They're the perfect holiday treat. Thank you so much for watching!